In a world of interconnected economies, diversifying your investments globally is crucial. Let's explore how international mutual funds can help you navigate this complex landscape. International mutual funds are investment vehicles that pool money from many investors to invest in securities of companies located outside India. Think of it as a basket of stocks, bonds, or other securities from different countries. This diversification can help spread risk and potentially increase returns. There are several types of international funds available in India, each with a unique approach to global investing. Global funds. These funds diversify investments worldwide, reducing risk by balancing poor performance in one area with strong performance in another. Country-specific funds. These funds focus on a particular region or country, such as Japan or Brazil, to capitalize on local opportunities. Thematic funds. These funds invest based on themes like technology, healthcare, or green energy, regardless of geographic location. International mutual funds offer several advantages which include diversification. Investing across regions and economies mitigates the impact of market changes in any single area. Hedging against domestic volatility. International funds can cushion against downturns in the Indian economy by thriving in other markets. Exposure to global growth opportunities. Investing globally allows you to benefit from the development potential of rapidly growing economies. Access to global market leaders. Gain exposure to world-renowned corporations not listed on Indian stock markets. Key risks associated with international mutual funds. While international funds offer opportunities, they also carry risks such as currency risk. Exchange rate changes can affect returns, with a weaker rupee improving returns and a stronger rupee reducing them. Market risk. Economic difficulties and political instability can make international markets more volatile than domestic ones. Country risk. Investing in specific countries increases the risk of local economic or political upheaval. Liquidity risk. Some international funds may have lesser liquidity, making it harder to exit investments promptly. Consider these factors before investing in international mutual funds. Investment horizon. International investing requires a long-term approach to realize the benefits of diversification fully. Risk tolerance. Evaluate your risk tolerance carefully, considering currency fluctuations and market volatility. Diversification. International funds should be part of a comprehensive portfolio, diversifying across asset classes and regions. Research. Investigate the fund's objectives, performance history, expense ratio, and fund management experience. Consult a financial advisor. Seek guidance from a financial advisor to understand how international funds fit into your portfolio and financial goals. International mutual funds can be a valuable addition to your investment strategy. But it's essential to understand the potential benefits and risks. Do your research, consider your financial goals, and consult with a financial advisor.